Hey everybody, it's Ron the Channel. We are back at it again, sitting in front of Lightning Link Best Bet.
Woo!
We played this sporadically
I
in
played
the
it
past.
once.
I think I played it maybe once in Vegas.
You have these everywhere. This
Yeah,
particular
you know
one.
what? I like. Hey, we like all the Lightning Links and Dragon Links, so let's give it a shot.
Well, it's funny. One of the, I think one of the surveys that we had done. I think we didn't somebody say, we're like, what's your favorite Dragon Link or Lightning Link? Somebody put Best Bet.
Somebody said Best Bet. All right, well maybe let's see if it can
It's true.
make me a believer here.
There's our friend
Oh,
over
yeah.
there.
We'll try some 10 cents. If it doesn't like the 10 cent, we'll switch it up. Oh, thought we had it there. Or the feature, which is 3 of these horseshoes, I believe.
That's the feature, and then the trophies are the balls. So you need 6 trophies.
Yep. A couple more spins on the 10 cent, we'll switch it up.
Let's see. How do you do it?
Yep.
Oh, one.
Oh,
diarrhea
I
did.
thought we did.
Right, come on, trophies. Oh,
We need,
when it starts out with
I
the trophies.
know, I need 6 of those. Or 3 of those. Come on now. Oh, those jacks did get all the way through. Thanks. Come on.
And then the little horse, he's
Right. He's wild. Come on now.
It's not bad. Trophies.
Come on now. Let's do it. Nope. All right, maybe it doesn't.
Yep,
Maybe we're gonna
maybe
go
they don't
1
like
cent. We'll go 1 cent. Oh, that looks pretty good too. Come on.
Oh,
One more. Oh,
4.
yeah.
Line those up.
Thought it was gonna that time. Come on, do it.
Yep, would have been great.
Do it. Horseshoe.
That at least went through.
Got a little something, something.
Look at feature.
Gives us a couple more
Everybody,
spins.
we need definitely some good vibes.
All right, you guys. Lightning Link Best Bet. Gave it a little
Hasn't hit
shot.
yet, but you never know.
You know, sometimes we get it off camera. You know how that works. So we will let you know if we come back to it. Take care. All right, you guys, we stuck with it. As you can see, we took a bit of a beating, but hey, look at that, 2 cent. It ended up liking the 2 cent.
Yeah.
Let's hope it
Switched them
continues
all up.
like it. We got plenty of room here. You want to drop that minor, or turn it into a mini party. Mini's 20.
We'll take it.
That's good.
Any trophy.
Saw a mini go by.
Yes.
I did see another mini go by. I'm gonna drop that major 514. It'd be awesome. Do it. Oh man, I saw a couple minis.
That was like had a lot of digits on it. Whatever that trophy was.
Really? Come on, stay hot. Oh yeah, that one looks good too. Come on, you got
One. Oh, another 1250 there.
Really?
Yep.
Do it, stay hot. Oh, the minor went by. Oh, I think I saw the major. We got one extra one.
Major and a minor like whizzed by.
I swear I saw the green.
Still fun though.
Actually, it got us back almost
Very fun.
even. Gotta do a backup. Gotta do a backup spin. Do it.
Back to back trophies.
Oh,
Look at the 9.
I don't think they went all the way through, but all right, you guys. Lightning Link Best Bet. if something awesome happens, if we decide, we gotta think about this. We gotta,
Continue on.
yeah, we gotta think about it. All right, you guys think, hey everybody, it's Ron and Sharon. We are back at it again. Sharon stuck with it. I don't even know. I think she went.
I did.
I don't know. I don't know about
I
that.
went way down, way down.
What, you got the bonus feature? Something we've never gotten on this game.
No, I don't even know what it does.
1 cent, $5.
That's what's goofy.
Well, you know what? How about getting the bonus in the bonus?
Does it do it? It must.
It must.
I mean, look at some of these trophies too. They're big. All right, I'm gonna hit this button, and let's hope that we get
You get
a
10
bonus
games.
and a bonus.
I like 10 games. Oh, don't waste them though.
Right, do it,
Two
do it, do
more.
it more. Oh, that was a minor.
Yeah. Oh, she's all the way through.
Maybe she's all the way through.
There you go. All right. So
Didn't
it's,
go
you
up
know, so it's
top.
10 games like Moon Race.
Okay. We need to make something out of it. Though, too. Let's get those
We
trophies.
need those trophies.
Well, that's not too bad. It's
Yeah.
paying.
It's 1 cent, so you need
Right.
something
That's what the.
huge.
We got no
Although-
doublers.
Although it's $5 bet, so
That is the max bet on the 1 cent.
right, which we like
So
sometimes. So
I like that.
come on, we
I
can do
mean,
this.
it's paying.
Actually, it's all right. Come on. Oh, there we go. There you go. Oh, that could have
Darn,
been real
it
good.
got cut off though, but it's
Yeah.
4.
I thought you were going to get a whole 3 rows of those. Would have been really huge.
I don't know how big a symbol he is. The jockey.
You would think that the jockey would be good. The girl, I think, must be the top symbol. You would think he would be top symbol, considering
Looks like
it's
it's
a
only every line is paying like 50 cents.
Yeah. No.
Yeah, keep paying. I'm good.
Hey, we've seen worse bonuses, I'll tell you that much. There you go, all
Some
right.
people are paying $2.50, so.
Yeah.
Hey, I still got some spins. We've got a
You
chance,
got 6
friends.
spins left and you're over $40.
We can do this. You know, it was
How
all
about
we're
those?
all in this together,
Yeah.
trying to play this game that we never play.
Come on. We need
And
the
it seems like so hard to get this feature. We really just want to see the feature. So
Hey,
trophies,
that-
trophies, trophies.
That was pretty good.
Yeah, just pretty good.
You
One of
got
them
it
must
turned
have been
up.
a big hit.
Unfortunately, I have it turned up all the way, and that's it, guys.
Okay, come on.
Come on, do it. Come on now.
Come on, we still have some games. So trophy, trophy, trophy.
Oh, no wasted spins either. Oh, no blocks. Come on.
Oh.
Block itself. Kind of blocked itself.
Mm-hmm.
Bonus and a bonus is what we need. We got 4 chances at it still. Or a whole board of the horses.
The horses, yeah. You want to get the horses. Line
Come
those
on.
babies up too. Oh.
Oh,
No.
thought you had it. Look at that $100 ball, $100 trophy. You had, oh.
I'd love to see it. Do it. Come on, you got 3 spins left to do it.
Yep. Again, or the whole board of the horses would be fine too.
Mhm.
You're already over 60, but that's
Yeah.
pretty good.
That's paying pretty good.
Yeah. Well, we started this whole run on $100, so you're making a little comeback.
Yeah. Love to get it all back plus. You know,
Right,
be
that's-
on, you know,
well,
on top.
That's
Trophy, trophy, trophy. Oh, that's all. That
whoa.
should be good.
Wait a second.
That should be pretty good.
Didn't go up top.
No. So still not over $50. So still
That's all the way through. A couple
some
times.
$5, $2, $5,
Yeah.
$2, $5.
Actually, that's real good. Actually, you still got 2 spins left. 2 spins to get the trophies. You
You
can
gotta
do it.
hope to get these trophies still.
I know.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I'll
because
take
you know
that.
what? The
That's-
major is 515. It's not a maxed out major, but it still would be awesome. Let's get at least a shot at it. You know. I like the music
like it,
of
yeah.
this game.
It's like
I wish
horse
I could-
race music.
Yeah, I wish I could turn it up, but it's
It is as loud as
like
showing that it's as loud as it goes.
Yep.
That one definitely helped. See, that got us up there.
Yeah,
so that was
Look at that. See,
close to 40-something bucks, and it's still paying. So continue,
it
please.
actually turned into a
Which
great
is great.
bonus.
Yeah.
Come on.
All right, come on. Trophy, trophy, trophy.
Oh, look
Oh,
at
it's a
that.
minor. Okay. It didn't want to give heaps of trophies. And hey, that's a pretty
Actually, that's great.
decent bonus.
Yep.
It
Lightning
is
lane.
1 cent, but it was $5. It was max bet, so
Actually, you should do a backup.
I am. Let's get that, if we can get that back to back, or the trophies.
Oh,
Oh, we got paid a little bit with our jockey.
all right, you guys. Lightning lane.
Best bet.
Best bet.
At least we got to see the feature.
We got to see the feature, and tell you what, it's got tons of potential too. But you know what? It's growing on me.
It is. Do not forget to hit the like button. We really appreciate you guys, and thank you so much for watching. It's fun. We might continue on because look, my backup spin.
I think
Counting
you
up
need
$7. I got $7 in
You
that.
better hit a backup to a
Or a
backup.
backup.
Backup to a backup.
Trophies.
All right.
All right, now. let's
Thank you
go.
guys so much. Take
Thank
care.
you.
All right, you guys. We continued on. Still the same $100 we started with, and got the feature. I switched to 5 cent. Let's see if we can get the bonus in the bonus. Let's do this. Come on now. A little something there. Come on. Do it. Oh. Got 7 spins left. Come on, you can do this. We need that. We can get that. We can get the bonus in the bonus. Mini's $50. Oh. Come on, let's get it. Still 6 games left. We got a shot at it. Come on. Or a whole board of those horses. First in the middle 3 rows would be great. Come on, let's do it. Let's do it. 2 more. Almost. Mini. Oh, you rocked. 4 spins left. Come on. Let's get it. Let's do this. Come on. Oh, wasted spins now. Come on. Oh, that could have been. Just needed a 3rd row to be horses. Come on, get it. We need it. Come on, get it. Let's do it. Do it. Last spin. All right, you guys. We got to do a backup. Do it. Oh. All right. Lightning lane. Best bet. You guys take care, everybody. Trying to share. We stuck with it. We're hanging in there. You know? We're not hanging in. That's the original 100.
That still is, I know.
And 5 cent, 250. All right. You know what? Drop a mini. A mini's $50.
And the minor looks good too because it's on 5
It's got
cents.
plenty of room.
Feel like
Let's do it. Oh, the mini went by.
Okay, land it though.
Yep.
Land.
Gotta land something now. Don't be stingy. Come on now.
More trophies. Oh.
That's semi-neat.
It's a decent amount.
Well, the last time that happened to us, we did a backup spin
Right.
and got the bonus
Right.
3 spins. So let's see if we can do that.
Backup spin.
All right, let's do a backup.
Oh, that would have been fine too. Had
That's
done
true.
that for you.
All right, you guys. Lightning link. Best bet. We're still hanging in there. Take care, everybody. We stuck with it. I'm telling you, it's still,
It still is the same.
you know, again,
So spinning your wheels, is that what?
we are. This is the definition of spinning your wheels. But we did it the moment, and we got a mini. And the mini's $50. So all right, now let's do it. Last time we got this, we didn't get any.
Right, so now it's
Plenty
a whole
of-
bunch of trophies.
Let's do it.
Is it because I'm not calling balls? Is that what-
Yeah, we gotta
Three is balls. One ball. One ball.
we gotta go back to calling balls. I know they're trophies, but we're calling them balls. Come on.
All right, come on now.
Come on. One ball.
All right, gotta do it.
Do it. One ball.
Come on, friends, we gotta do it. Just one.
I'm almost shocked.
Thank you.
Come on now. Turn it into a mini party.
Right.
Thank you.
For just a trophy party, anything.
Yeah. Fill it up.
Yeah, thank you.
I was gonna say that was so wide open over there. Do it.
So much room for another mini.
I know. Do it. One ball.
No, come on.
Last spin, possibly. Hey, here we go.
Oh, good. Yeah.
There we go.
Now
That's a
it's,
little better at least.
Yeah, see?
Do it. Come on.
Gotta do it.
Do it. Nice.
There we go,
Oh,
there we
there
go.
we go.
Two
All right,
more.
come on. Make it
Two
interesting.
more.
Make it interesting. Wouldn't that be something? Do it. Give us one at least and make it exciting. Do it.
Do it.
Listen to that music. Really pick
It's
it
like
up.
ready to.
Come on, do it. All right.
Oh, still better than it.
Not bad.
It's so sad.
Playing some victory music.
So. All right.
All right, hey, now we're making a little hay.
Yay!
Making a little hay. Lightning Link best bet.
Love it.
Hey, now we're on top. Let's do a backup. How about those free spins?
Yeah, free spin. 1, 2, 3. Oh,
Ooh, I thought you called it. All right, you guys.
right.
Lightning Link
Now
best
that,
bet.
Now that gets thumbs up for sure, right? Smash that thumbs up. We're
We're surviving.
We're back on top.
Take care, you guys. All right, you guys. Stuck with it. Change to 10 cent, 255. Plenty of room. Now let's do this. Mini's 100. I'll drop a mini.
Yeah.
100 spot. Come on. Keep it fun. Oh, I saw the mini go by.
Oh, it went by again. Like, we're second.
Do it.
You gotta hit a trophy though.
Let's get something. Come on.
Oh my goodness.
That is just downright mean. Yeah, you know what? That's hard to do with this whole space. Let's do a backup. It owes us now. Now it owes us. I mean, it's great, don't get me wrong, but come on, a whole... All right, you guys, if we'll come back, Lightning Link, best bet. Take care. All right, you guys, we stuck with it. We did go down a little again, but we got the feature. Let's get this. Oh. Stay high. Come on, do it. One ball. Come on now. One ball. There you go. Do it. Oh, the mini went by. Mini's $50. Come on. Do it. Stay hot. Little one, but again, our same $100. We are just barely hanging in there, but well, let's do a backup. All right, you guys, take care. All right, you guys, this Lightning Link best bet doesn't want us to leave. Hey, that's fine. Let's get something. Get a bonus and a bonus. Oh, we blocked. Don't block each other. Come on now. There you go. That's what you want to see in the bonus and the bonus. All right. Come on now. Let's get him a couple of minis, $50. Anything. There you go. Do it. Come on, do it. Oh, the minor went by. The minor's $2.50. Want to land that? Come on, stay hot. Nope. We got some spins left though. All right, let's keep going. You don't do that again. That's great. Or a retrigger. 5 spins left. Oh, you keep blocking yourself. That's great. All right, bonus and a bonus again. Oh, you gotta land something good here. Come on, make up for that last one. Do it. There you go. That's a mini. Mini's $50. Do another one. Do it. Come on, land it. Last spin. Hopefully not. Do it. Thank you. Oh, wow. Okay. Come on. Ooh, there you go. That's a pretty good one right there. Do it. Nice. Do it. There you go. Let's get it. Come on, do it. Nice. You want to fill the whole thing up. Do it. One ball. Come on, make it interesting. Give us a shot at it. Do it. Last shot. Do it. Alright, that was better though. Yeah, we still have, I think we have a couple of spins left. There you go. All right, we got a few spins left. Do it again. Do it again. Got it again. Wait a second. That's a bonus and a bonus and a bonus. That's 3. Come on, let's do it. Do it. Come on. One ball. No, don't do that. Come on, stay hot. There you go. Do it. Nice. Nice. Do it. Come on, you do it. Last spin. Save it. Nice save. Come on. 3 chances to fill this whole board up. Do it. Oh, come on now. Come on. Save it. Save it. All right, hey, we'll take that. All right. You know, a bonus and a bonus and a bonus in the bonus. I think we have 2 spins left. Can you do it again? Oh, come on. 1 more spin. 1 more spin. Let's do it. Oh, we got us a little something there, though. Last spin. Come on, do it. 2 more. Got it. Oh my gosh, that's a riot. Bonus, bonus. That's 4. That is. It's got to be 4. 4 bonuses in a bonus. How awesome is that? Come on, let's make this one count. Come on. Do it. No, you son of a gun. Get it. Thank you. Come on, that minor's $2.50. You want to drop that minor? Major, of course, is 5. There you go. Do it. Oh, I saw the major. It sure did flash by. Come on, do it. Come on, land it. Do it. All right, last chance. Save it. Save it. Save it. That is... You know what? I mean, there was 4 bonuses in the bonus. That has never happened to us. Not a bad, but what is that, $210 bonus? On a 125 bet? That's great. Let's do a backup. After all that excitement, can we get a backup? That would be awesome. Come on, do it. All right, you guys. Lightning rate, best bet. I'll tell you what. Maybe I'm starting to like this game. You guys take care. You guys, we stuck with it. We took out our winning ticket, put another 100 in. A few spins later, we got the feature. Let's do this. $5 bet, 2 cents.
You gotta do it. You gotta do it.
Well, we bonus and a bonus, so we can't expect it 4 times like the previous one, but why not? Let's do it. We need those balls or trophies. Oh, I saw the minor go by.
Do it.
Got it! There we go. Oh, and got paid on this. That's about as good of a hit as you could ask for. You know? Get a pay and the thing. All right, let's do this. Come on, let's get it. We got plenty of room. Now let's do it. Here we go. You want to land that major? Saw it flash by already.
Yeah.
Let's do it. 1 ball. There you go. Ooh, I think I saw a minor go by. Do it. Saw some minis flying by too. Minis are 20. Do it. There you go.
That's a good size ball.
Nice.
Woo.
Stay high. You want to fill the whole board? That's cool too. Do it. Stay high. Oh, a mini again. Do it. Oh, the minor.
Minor in there.
I saw green. I saw blue. I saw green.
I saw blue, green, like the blue went by twice.
Do it.
Either one would be great.
Nice.
That's so good.
Let's do this. Come on, do it. Nice. Let's keep it going. Stay hot. Stay hot. Come on, you got 2 spins. Fill it up. Oh, well, I thought that was going to land. Last spin, maybe not. That's still good. Yep, we got 8 spins left after that.
So great.
Do that again. Oh man, that's actually really good. There you go.
That is fun. Okay. Again, like you said, 8 spins left. Do that again.
Well, earlier we got the bonus and the bonus 4 times. So, you know, if
You can do it.
they can do it again, that would be so awesome. Or retrigger. All right, no wasted spins. Do it.
Trophies.
Oh, too many misses now. Oh. That's not bad,
Of course,
actually.
it's helpful. Line up.
4 spins left to get it the bonus again. Come on, do it. Let's get it. Come on, do it. 2. Oh, wasted those horses too, though. Oh, that's got to be good, no? Didn't go up top, but it's still good. 2 spins left. Can we get those balls again? Or the trophies?
I know. It's hard to knock on balls, folks, because it's...
That's right. It's hold spin.
And technically, aren't they orbs?
Yeah. Nah.
They're balls.
Nah, they're balls. Come on. We got 2 spins to get them.
All right, do it. Gotta get him.
Oh, it's alright though.
Too awesome, though.
Great bonus.
Woo!
We gotta do a backup.
Yeah. Get it right in the backup. Backup spin.
We can do it. Alright, you guys. Lightning Link, best bet coming through. It's, you know what? Maybe it's gonna be one of my favorite Lightning Link games now. You guys take care. Alright, you guys. We stuck with it. We took out our profit again. Put another 100 in. Although this time we took a little bit of a beating, but that's okay. Let's do this. 2 cent, $5 bet. Decent sized balls, and we got the mini. Let's get a bunch. Do it. Oh, come on, I'll be nice. Be nice. Thank you. Do it. I'm gonna drop that minor for $100. That'd be awesome. Do it. Get it. Do it. Oh, I saw the minor. Down to the wire. Stay hot. Not bad. Could have been better, but no. Take it. Actually, it's real good. All right. How about a backup? Do it. Oh, that's all the way through. Actually, that's real good. Let's do another backup. Do it. All right, you guys. I'll tell you what. Lightning Link, best bet. Becoming one of my one of my new favorite Lightning Link games. It doesn't want us to leave. All right, take care. All right, you guys. We stuck with it. Still hanging in there on Lightning Link best bet. Went down to a $2 bet, 2 cent, got feature. 10 spins, I like the 10 spins. Now let's get those bonus and a bonus. All right, no wasted spins. Oh, come on. Let's do it. Come on now. Oh, there we go. That's gotta be decent. Not bad. Oh no, come on now, 5 spins left. No wasted spins, come on. That's gotta be fantastic. That's almost the whole board. Thank you. That is fantastic. All right, you guys. Still have 1 spin left. That's fantastic. 1 more spin. Do it. We'll do a backup. All right, you guys. Lightning Link test bet coming through. Take it. All right, you guys. We're still sitting in front of best bet Lightning Link. Put in another 100. And it took a bit, but we got it. Let's do this. Do it. Not bad at all. Let's do it. Let's get some more. Do it. Come on, stay hot, stay hot. Down to the wire. Do it. Nice. There you go. Do it. Nice. You want to fill this whole thing up.
Maybe just go to the board.
Do it. Oh, that'll look like a good one more. Do it. Come on. Keep it fun. Keep it fun. All right, let's do this. You want to fill the whole board up?
I feel like it could.
I feel like it could too. I don't see anything flashing by, but
Maybe it'll flash by. Just land on it.
do
Do
it.
it. One more chance
If
to
it
do
lands, if it lands, best bet becomes my favorite game of all time.
Ever. Of all time.
Do it.
Recommended.
Still good.
Didn't do it. That's excellent. That's very nice. Very nice. Woo! You need it. Did you show the money counter?
Yeah, I did.
Okay.
That was a new hunter. We're doing well, but you know, again, I
Hey,
keep.
I got your ticket. Don't you worry about that.
That's right. All right.
That's so good.
That was great, actually. That was on a. I went down to a $2 bet.
I see that.
And
But that's okay.
let's do a backup.
Yeah. You got in a back-to-back?
Have not. All right, you guys. Again, the Lightning Link best bet doesn't want me to leave. All right, you guys, take care. All right, you guys, we stuck with it. We took out our profit, put in another 100, and got the feature again. This best bet does not want me to leave. Let's do this. Plenty of space. Come on now. There you go. Do it. Ooh, I saw the miner go by. Do it. Let's get it. All right, come on. You can do better than that. Do it. Save it. Save it. Nice. Do it. Come on now. Stay hot. Stay hot.
Take either.
Save it.
Oh, the mini's going by.
I saw that. Oh, it went by again. I sent that though. Again, I went as soon as I dropped the bet. No,
That's not the right bet.
it's those balls smaller. I don't want. We want those.
Right. You need the balls to be bigger.
All right, let's do that. We've still not done a successful backup. Let's get it.
And feature.
All right, you guys. We will come back if something awesome happens. Take care. All right, you guys. We took our profit. We're still doing well, no doubt. But we put in another 100, and you want to talk to down to the wire, down to our last 15
Hilarious,
cents.
though.
But we got
Yeah. Hey.
10 spins. You know what I like about this? It's growing on me, and you know what I like about it is the 10 spins.
Love it. I know. It gives you like an opportunity to get those balls,
Let's do it.
i.e. the trophy.
Let's get them right away. 2.
Right now.
Oh, now no wasted spins. Too many wasted spins now. Come on. Oh, that's. That's good. That could have been. Oh.
Just one more roll to go. It's playing. It's playing like a gallop music, like da da da
I know,
da
it's-
da da da
I'm telling you,
da. It's like a famous.
it's becoming a favorite.
Famous,
I'm
yeah.
telling you. The 10 spin thing is what I like.
There's only one of this machine
Well,
in this casino.
Oh, yeah.
Places you go, they don't even have any. I mean, nobody really.
as far as I know, though, as far as the Lightning Links and/or Dragon Links, the only ones with 10 spins are this and Moonrace.
I don't know if any other ones have.
If you guys know,
Yeah, let us know. What
let us know in the comments. But pretty sure it's Best Bet and Moonrace have 10 spins on the bonus.
Yeah, because the other ones that are
6
Dallas
or
Storm,
right.
the Caribbean thing has 10, but it's not lightning.
Actually, that was actually a great line hit.
It really is. So it's still pain.
And 7 spins left to get the.
Yeah, this really was very good. It was about $60.
Oh, okay, no wasted spins now. Oh, that looks so good too.
There
Oh,
we go.
oh.
4 spins left. It's gonna pay a little because it's
Actually, yeah,
free a couple times.
we're already up over $60, so and we got 4 spins left. We got to get those balls or the trophies or whatever the heck you want to call them. Let's get it.
Gotta be bigger though. Start over back. Come on.
Yeah, I know. That's $70, but come on, yeah, we can do better than that. Do
4
it.
games to do it. Trophy, trophy, trophy.
3. Oh. Come on, let's do it. Do it. Last spin. Oh, look at that.
I was like,
Did not. That was like three or four.
I paid on 3.
All right, let's get it back up. All right, you
Okay,
guys.
that's still up with the 15
I'm
cents.
telling you, we were about to give up. It doesn't want us to quit, and I almost did say let's go. And we down to our last one. So we got a little playing money left, and we'll let you know if something awesome happens. Take care.